How to remove blue screen from the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay. Here are the videos that I'm going to use as an example. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on New Project. Double-click to import this footage. First, drag the background first to the timeline. Now here is the video with the background. Drag and drop it on the top of the background video. OK. Move on the Effects tab. Here type to search key. Down here choose Ultra key. Drag and drop it on the video that has the blue screen. OK. On the Effects control. Here click on the pen icon. Move this side and select the blue color. Done. Now start to change some settings here. Now that's how we can remove blue screen from the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell. See you next time.